Hello, I've come to this 3-bedroom cottage halfway between Abersoch and Aberdaron on the Llyn Peninsula.
She's a shadow to me, a silhouette of beauty in a face that I still can't see.
So we've got 3 bedrooms in this one, 2 twin rooms and 1 double room. One of the twin rooms is on the ground floor and there's an ensuite wet room, so ideally if you've got any mobility problems, I guess. Downstairs there's a lovely open plan kitchen diner and a really nice comfortable lounge. The location's fantastic. I think, as I say, we're about 10 minutes from Abersoch and about 15 minutes away from Aberdaron, so a great place for a summer holiday. Plenty of beaches all around us here, and we're surrounded by fields of sheep. Lots going on the farm. I think you'll like it. Let's go have a look inside. Bye.
When you know, you just know. But that ain't happened for me yet. And sometimes I wonder if I may have missed it. In time will show, but time moves slow. How long will you make me wait till I see your face? How long till that sacred day when I finally know your name? I never thought it would be true, that I would still be looking for my girl, but I'm still looking for you. And all my lonely seasons pass, falling down like grains of sand in an hourglass. In time will show, but time moves slow. How long will you make me wait till I see your face? How long till that sacred day when I finally know your name? I never thought it would be true, that I would still be looking for my girl, but I'm still looking for you. And all my lonely seasons pass, falling down like grains of sand in an hourglass. In time